Hello everyone. Our lives are becoming really busy, and at times we have no time to cook. We have no time to do anything that is quick and easy. So I have an idea for you for something really quick, nutritious, delicious, and really easy, because we are using pre-made versions of whatever we're gonna have, but we're gonna touch it up with certain flavors that is gonna take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. Let's see how. This creamy tomato soup is delicious as is. It's really good. It's called creamy, but it has no cream. It's vegan actually, and I'll use that as a base for our recipe. Today we're gonna be doing tomato soup kicked up my way. So in a pot, we're gonna turn it on, put it to heat. I will pour this ready tomato soup. I think it's best if I actually shake it so I can get all the ingredient, the whole thing out. So I will pour it into my pot. Really easy as of now. Okay, into that I will add about 2 cups of chicken broth or vegetable broth. It's up to you. It can be store-bought or something that you have previously made at home. So, and to make it more delicious, I'm gonna use Herbs de Provence. Herbs de Provence is southern French flavors of their summer. They mix basil, thyme, and a little lavender and fennel in it. It just has this aromatic, floral, but very delicious flavor that can take any dish and make it so much more special. So I'm gonna add about a pinch, about quarter of a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. It's up to you. Depending on the broth, if your broth has no salt, you should add a touch of salt into that, because the creamy tomato soup, it is on the sweet side. But you mix and you taste and you see if that's what you need to do or not. Now my family, they like spice. Sometimes I also add some pepper flakes, or a really nice tiny piece of habanero pepper inside, just to give it that slight heat but not overwhelming. A little piece will go a long way. Today I'm not gonna do that, but many times I do. Now I'll let it boil for the flavors to get engaged to each other, and then when we're gonna serve it, we can complete the meal by toasting a little piece of bread with your favorite cheese on top. It can be Gruyere, or it can be Swiss, or it can be Gouda, or even Manchego, and then top it on top of your warm soup dish, and you will have really a wonderful flavors mingling with each other to create a very easy and quick lunch or light dinner. So I tasted my soup and I decided it can take a little bit more Herbs de Provence, so I added quarter of a teaspoon more, and I also asked if they wish to have it spicy or mild, and the vote was for spicy. So I added few pepper flakes. Now let it simmer a couple of minutes, and then we will serve it and enjoy it. So now my soup is ready. It simmered for about 5 minutes or so. After it got to a boil, I'm gonna pour it, and I will show you how I like to serve it. Now at this point, if you wish, you can also add a little bit of cream if you like it to be rich and creamy. But I like it as is. Here's the soup. You can have it like that, or if you wish, you can also add toasted bread with your favorite cheese on top, and you can top it, and it's gonna soak the soup, and it will become really nice delicious meal. You can add a little lavender on top here, and if you wish more, you can also add a little scoop on top, just to let everything get together in a beautiful way. Here you go. Delicious, nutritious, and very easy and quick light dinner or lunch. Try it and enjoy. Please, if you like my recipes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can ask or comment on the comment section under the video. Enjoy!